Hello students, today we are going to study the poem O Captain, My Captain. I am going to explain the poem. You have to read it from the book. This poem is about civil war held in America. Here the captain refers to Abraham Lincoln and the ship refers to America. The poet says that finally our dangerous trip has completed, mean the war is ended now. We are going to reach the port, means their journey is completed and everyone is happy. Whatever result they wanted, they got. That result, they have won the civil war. In the next stanza, he has that the captain is no more in this world. He is dead, lying on the deck. On one side, poet tell about the happiness all around and because they won the civil war, but now the captain, means Abraham Lincoln, is not there with them. He is dead. Now in the next stanza, he expresses the sorrow and says, "Wake up, captain, wake up, and listen the bells that are ringing to welcome you. Look at the flag that is flung for you, and bugle trees for you. See the bouquets are kept for you, and the crowds has gathered to welcome you. They are eager to see you." In the next stanza, he says, "You are not only the captain, you are like my father," and says he cannot believe that the captain is dead. It's like a bad dream that the captain is dead. Now he says that captain is not giving any answer and he is not moving and he is also not feeling the poet hands under his head. Now the ship is anchored, means they have won, they have achieved their goals, their fearful journey is completed. Now the poet says that it's not a dream, it's reality that the captain is dead. In next line, she says, "All of you celebrate, ring the bells, because we won the war, we have achieved all objective, but I will not celebrate, I will go on the deck where my captain is lying down." This is all about the poem. Now the summary of the poem is also given here and the animation video is also provided for better understanding and pronunciation.
O Captain, My Captain by Walt Whitman. O Captain, my Captain, our fearful trip is done. The ship has weathered every rack. The prize we sought is won. The port is near, the bells I hear, the people all exulting, while follow eyes the steady keel, the vessel grim and daring. But oh, heart, 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 oh, the bleeding drops of red, whereon the deck my captain lies, fallen, cold and dead. O Captain, my Captain, rise up and hear the bells. Rise up, for you the flag is flung, for you the bugle trills, for you bouquets and ribboned wreaths, for you the shores a crowding, for you they call the swaying mass, their eager faces turning. Here, Captain, dear father, this arm beneath your head. It is some dream that on the deck you've fallen, cold and dead. My captain does not answer. His lips are pale and still. My father does not feel my arm. He has no pulse nor will. The ship is anchored safe and sound, its voyage closed and done. From fearful trip the victor ship comes in with object won. Exult, O shores, and ring, O bells, but I, with mournful tread, walk the deck my captain lies, fallen cold and dead.